today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to download the Verity mod and the other mods. I'm gonna put the link in the description if you don't want to search it. I'm gonna first search CurseForge. Press CurseForge. The link, it's actually safe as it's and make sure you press Bedrock, or you can, if you have Java, just I think it's this. And by the way, this tutorial is actually just for Bedrock. Press Bedrock. You can already see the add-on because it's popular. You can just search in your add-on. As you can already see, it's already there. Press the Verity mod, download, or you can just make sure this mod has the same version as your Minecraft, because as you can see, I already downloaded it as one of my videos. You need to press files and you will see the version it supports, and you must, this is actually updated, so it can handle 26.40. Now after you download the mod, go to Play Store or any apps that can download other apps. Okay. Now search File Manager. Don't press this, okay? Don't press this. This is the one you need to press. Press download. If I already got this because I want to download more. I downloaded some. And press downloads. Press your mod. Wait it to import. Oh bro, why they chatted, man? I gotta cut this part. I cutted that part because someone chat. I don't want to leak their name because it's kinda dangerous. It's like the half of their full name. Wait until it loads. Bro, this thing's so long. Gotta cut it. No need to do that. Okay, I just get impatient. Oh my god, bro. Oh. You just need actually to load it. Wait for it, okay? Just wait for it. Yeah, I see it. Anay mo yan. Ah! Utang ina mo. After that, it will import it because mine didn't go because I actually removed Minecraft, but I already got the mod, so don't worry. And if you got the mod, make sure to turn on the beta IPs. Sometimes they need it because so you can see the thing or the mod just like this, okay? And now you can press create. You need to press everything in the experiments because it's for add-ons.